welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today we will talk about the Dell XPS 13 laptop. So friend, Dell XPS 13 laptop with the latest Intel 11th generation Tigerless CPUs are now on sale in India. And friend, it features a taller 16 gem 10 aspect ratio display with extremely thin bezels around, and it will be comes in two colors variant that offer different textures for the palm rest. And friend, if I talk about the pricing about this laptop, the Dell XPS 139310 start at rupees 1,50,990 rupees including GST for the Core i5 model. And friend, it is offered in two color option, platinum silver with black carbon fiber palm rest and frost with acrylic white woven glass fiber palm rest. And friend, this Core i5 variant is up for sale on Amazon and selected Dell exclusive stores. And friend, the Core i7 variant of the XPS 13 will be available from January next year. And friend, it will be comes with Windows 10 Pro pre-install. And friend, it features 13.4-inch non-touch screen with a 1920 into 1200 pixel Infinity Edge display that covers 100% of sRGB color space. And friend, it will be comes with up to Intel's Tiger Lake Core i7 1185G7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics with shared graphics memory up to 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD for storage. And friend, the connectivity options include Killer AX 1650 Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a micro SD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And friend, it is backed by a 52-watt battery. And friend, the keyboard is backlit and the audio is handled by a two 2.5-watt speakers that have been tuned by waves. And friend, if I talk about the dimensions, the laptop measures 295.7 into 198.7 into 14.8 mm and it weighs about 1.2 kg for the non-touch model. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.